Hey guys!
Hey, yeah, we need to say it at the same time.
Alright, ready?
Okay,
This is such a Gollum twin intro. I just get shitty at each other.
Hey
guys!
Welcome back to our channel.
It's Shay and Nate, Nate and Shay, the Shays and the Nates. Today, all of our boxes, but one, but we don't care about that one, have arrived. Are you ready?
From Amazon!
Are you ready? Should we show them? Ready?
3, 2, 1.
I got black,
know.
I got white, what you want?
I got red, I got blue, I got Balenciaga, Louis, and Vuitton.
Really, we just got Amazon. Okay, so we have Amazon, we have everything. This is so loud. I'll put it down.
I think we have everything.
I think so. We're missing, from what I
missing?
think, the pop sockets. The other thing I thought that we could have done, too late now, was get the mystery boxes. That's a thing on Amazon. You can get mystery boxes. I don't know if it's on Amazon AU though, so probably not because Australia's sucks.
Do this one because I think it's our shoes, and I'm keen to jump on in.
Shoes. This came like 2 days after we bought it. It's been sitting on my couch for so long.
The box we were most excited for came first, and we've had to literally
wait and just look at it, and we're like, okay.
We were so tempted to just open it and then package it back up.
The thing is, I'm wearing very similar shoes right now. Also, upgrade from last week. Oh, we're wearing funny shoes.
I would love to just have like an inside pair of shoes.
So Ugg boots.
But Ugg boots make me feel sluggy.
What about socks with the grips on the bottom?
I hate those. We need a knife.
I bought scissors.
That's not a knife.
I bought scissors.
This is a knife. You like my hair?
Gee, thanks. Just cut it. This is my daily life.
Sorry, I have more hose than you. Gonna slice her.
We're gonna get multiple angles going for you guys.
And slice her. Ta-da!
Here they
Okay, mine's a small
Mine's a
box.
bigger one.
Oh, you bent my straw.
That was trying to be like that dramatic song sound, but I can't do it. That. I don't have the vocal range. Like versions of what we're already wearing.
We've never had the exact same shoes before.
Oh, we're wearing funny shoes. Oof. Should we put them on right now? Should we change shoes?
Yeah, discussing them. They look very French today.
Yeah, she put it on this morning and she just like looked at me and I was like, okay.
Oh.
Okay, sure.
I just think of Luigi from
You don't have to clarify what Luigi's from. It's Luigi.
Do you know what Luigi is from?
From Mario Kart.
No, not that Luigi.
Not that Luigi.
I'm talking about from Cars.
Oh, well that's the wrong Luigi.
I get anxiety about new shoes because I don't want them to like smell.
I wore these socks on the beach today. So.
Christening the shoes.
Yeah.
You work 9 to 5 on the weekend. That's definitely not the words.
So I think our real big career goal, have diss tracks. That's our final destination of our career.
To each other?
Is to be on the same track, dissing each other.
Yeah. We could fake a scandal.
Fake a scandal.
Hate each other, do diss tracks, and be like, "How we made up."
We can't leak this now.
I feel like
Off-brand?
off-brand,
Yeah.
fake.
I don't think they're fake. I think they're fake. Guys, I think we've got fake fans.
But they came in such good boxes.
It's like velvet and then canvas and then velvet.
She was a scared girl. She said, "See a little boy." Good enough for her. And then everyone can hate on it and be like, "Wow, you can't sing."
All those years of vocal training, all my classes, all my trophies for nothing.
Look, she's even got this sticker thing.
Yeah, I think they're real.
I think they're real.
I just think they're a different version or something.
That's the tea.
Look at us being reviewers.
Let's do a little package.
I want to unbox the big one.
Why can't we both unbox the big one?
So unbox that one.
But you unbox that one.
Whatever. Clear. Oh, there's wrapping paper. Wait, is that
the
JBL?
speaker. Surprise!
Wait.
This is not from Amazon.
This is not from Amazon. This was for a TikTok video that we did. This was our payment. So remember how we wanted a speaker, but we didn't buy one because yeah, we got a JBL contract like 2 days after that video.
I think it was the next day.
I think it was the next day.
And they were like, yeah, but the payment is a speaker.
So they must have sent it before we posted it. So this is sold out everywhere. So I'm hoping it's good. This is good branding.
Yeah, it is.
I mean, we used to ask, so obviously it's good branding.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Definitely the wrong orientation.
Choose a brocking.
It's like Christmas.
It is. Well, that means there's 2 packages.
That means,
haven't
yeah,
come.
that means we shouldn't be doing this video because not everything's arrived. Aww.
Oh, she's whitey. She's a chunky monkey.
Oh, that's a sub. That'll be all.
I reckon
Let's
that's a
turn it
good
on.
idea.
Let's turn it on.
That's a good idea. You can do 12 hours until she's dead, and then I'll do a 12 hour until she's dead. That's fun.
Aww.
Coming out hard like 88, make a bitch lift.
The tears.
That sounds like...
That's good. I'm not gonna lie.
Honestly, that was a lot of work. Back to the issue of I think we have a package that's missing.
I don't even remember what we bought.
Do I?
I think that's the projector. Oh, the projector.
projector.
Oh, I was right.
She's cute.
She's cute. It's very visco, like the block colours and shit. There's the itty bitty remote with
That
the
honestly
itty
exhausted
bitty.
me. I'm tired.
Yeah,
Like, I need a nap
exhausted.
after that.
So yes, my new least good shirt.
Yes, queen. Was I wearing this denim jacket in our last video?
Probably.
No, this one. That means we're waiting for 2 packages.
I don't know if this wasn't the big backdrop.
What would it
If
be?
it was like something that Dad's ordered or something that like Dad's waiting on. Could you imagine? I need the scissors. I don't know. He's a man. It's a wand.
You're a wizard.
You're a wizard, Harry.
Aw.
Aww.
Aw.
Aww.
Okay, she doesn't look like she's 7 feet. So.
No, she doesn't. This looks tiny. Oh. Okay.
Okay. Why would anyone need it that high?
We will.
That high, as if.
There's an add-on. It goes taller. Wait, is this bendy?
We're never gonna need it that tall.
I am 8 foot. I don't know if you know this.
8
It's a
foot.
common misconception.
Yeah, and I'm 21.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Foot or years?
Boy.
Oh, this is everything. Oh.
This is the best thing we've got.
This
so
is
far.
heaven. Oh.
Can I slice it?
Sounds like Bunnings. Like new Bunnings.
Yeah. So we've decided after a long conversation that we're gonna pull a couple of things here, but there's like 800 boxes.
It's a lot of
and we
work.
kind of want to unpack it where we're gonna set it up.
Just keeps going. And
But
going.
these are light bulbs.
Oh, are they?
We got 4 of those.
Why do I smell everything?
Okay, these are the little boxes that the lights go in.
Whoa, that's a hefty tripod. She's a solid mama.
Oh, she's a thick one.
Because so this is the overhead, so we've got the height, and then we should have 2 just normal.
More.
Because we have 3 softbox lights altogether. So everything's solid. It feels so
Oh, look
expensive.
at her. She's reflective.
It feels like we spent $1,000 at
Yeah,
least on this.
100%. This quality is insane.
I was expecting it to all like
Like,
be
be
falling
ripping it.
over and like
Okay.
the backdrops. Oh, they're
The
material.
material backdrop.
Pull her out. Pull her out.
We're gonna have so
Oh,
much
we're gonna have
with the
so
green
much fun with that.
screen.
I'm gonna have to learn how to green screen.
And then we got this big bag that everything must fit in.
Looking at it all is optimistic.
We got a round thing of reflector. Another reflectory doodah.
Yeah,
Oof.
the quality. That's when I went off, because I was like, that's a good clip.
It's gonna be so easy to film. You know how easy if this is staying
Our
set?
content is about, this is the last time you'll see this lounge.
This is the last time you'll see us film on an iPhone.
On the floor on an iPhone without lighting.
Then again, this lighting
This
is
lighting is
fine.
bomb, but like it's natural, so we don't really play with that.
I do.
Bruh. I don't. I'm quite ugly.
How the heck did this
I don't know. I realized at quite a young age that my inability to play Tetris was a lot more than just the game Tetris. Like, it has come up in life so much, and I really wish I learned like the skill.
So, we have 2 more packages that haven't arrived.
So we have a pop socket and
Polaroid film.
Polaroid film. Not that that was that exciting to unbox anyway.
No.
We can show you guys on our story when it comes.
Yeah. Follow our Instagram.
Life of Shay and Nate.
tactics.
Okay, so we're gonna set up this big kahuna at Shayla's house, which is not near here. So I guess we'll either make that a separate video, or we'll maybe just put it on a story, or we'll keep you posted. We're not too sure what we're gonna do just yet, but we don't want to set it up here. We're gonna make a big studio, like a full content studio. We're gonna try and get aircon next. It's gonna be really hot. But like softbox lights, we've got our ring lights. We're gonna put the backdrop.
I'm gonna bring all my like sass and braids kind of
We've
stuff.
got mirrors in there. Like
yeah, I'm gonna turn it like into like a full studio.
Yeah, that's all we have time for today. So that's all we have time for today, guys. So thank you so much for watching our little haul.
Comment below if you think our vans are real or fake.
We're still not convinced. I think they look real.
They're real. I think they're real.
I think they are real. They're just like a weird one.
So thanks so much for watching. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell if you feel like being a 10 out of 10 fan to get notifications for when we post.
Ready? Are we out?
We're out.
3,
2, 1.
Do it. I went 2. I went 3, 2.